Thank you for being here, and I would like to extend my thankful for SSGS that organized such event. We are going to the end of the day, but I'll try to make my presentation as short as possible. The SNL, Saudi Netlink, it's a Saudi-based company, established 1995. We have been licensed VSAT provider from the telecom regulator in Saudi Arabia. We are plus minus 150 employees among Saudi Arabia, different cities. Also, we have our own company. It's also SNL in Oman, and we have our company as well in Egypt. We are system integrator. We are a service provider over satellite. And in the ground segment, we do have the building the gateways, the large antenna solutions, we do the engineering of the gateways, frequencies, and the traffic engineering as well. We've been holding a couple of regulator certifications or a license in Saudi Arabia for the IoT solutions, for the VSAT, and for the ISP. We also have the ISO certification in the cybersecurity and the quality. In addition to some local of Saudi Arabia certification from the military entities, military authorization to provide a service for the military, for the oil and gas, for the media as well. Here is our offices. Our head office is in Riyadh and big branch in Khobar, in addition to small offices related to the technical support among Saudi Arabia, where we provide also the field services and the remote support for our customer. In Oman, we have also two offices. We could have a couple of projects in Oman related to the operation and maintenance for the telco operator. In addition to Egypt, we have our support office. Yeah. So we have gateways in Saudi Arabia, two gateways dual redundant and interconnected to each other, that running over 600 megahertz in different satellite, geo satellite. In addition, we have LEO service agreement with OneWeb. In addition to operation and maintenance for the different customer, we maintain their field operation, we maintain their NOC, their network operation center. In addition, we manage their gateways as well. Overall, as I mentioned, that we have very strong experience in the big gateways, in addition to the remote, our custom remote solution. We have the model of the operation and maintenance and the field operation. So in terms of gateways, we built more than 26 big antennas in the MENA region, let's say, in different band from C, KU, KA band. In addition, we do testing, verification for the RF signals. In addition, we have done a couple of teleport or big antennas migration or relocation from place to place. Here's a couple of projects we have done in the past 3 years. So for ECS and Intelsat, we built around 7 large antennas, different sizes and different band. For Arabsat, for Eutelsat, and we also have a certified team from antenna manufacturers such like Vertex and CPI, and we being used by them also for their special missions within the region to conduct kind of installation, kind of system engineering or any field troubleshooting for their large antennas. For the STC, which is the Saudi telco operator, we built for the last 3 years 9 large antennas in their teleport and in their main teleport in Jeddah, Riyadh as well, in different band as well, C band, KU, and KA band. The last project, what we just finished, we built also the first MEO gateway in Saudi Arabia with agreement with the ACS to provide high-speed link through the MEO constellations, and this being built in Jeddah for STC. Our engagement more with the satellite operators, such as STC, such as ACS and Intelsat, and even Eutelsat, that Arabsat, not only by doing their large antenna, but we do also have the capacity with them. And then we make a kind of engineering for the customer network that lead us to make big use of their satellite capacity and enhance their network level and network operation. So with Arabsat also we have a JV agreement that we use their capacity and to build a customer network that help them to use unused capacity, and also on the other hand, it helps us to use the capacity without long-term commitment. So we take care of the ground segment, we take care of the customer delivery, for the field operation as well, for the NOC, and they take care of the capacity. And we have the same model also we have done with the ScaleSat, in addition to the Intelsat. As I mentioned, we have in the field solution, we have custom mobile solution mobility for the land mobility and for the maritime as well. So we build the complete systems and the remote with the custom customer need. We do provide the customer network kind of into computing to streamline their application related to the GSM, to the Tetra, CCTV application, etc. In addition to the maritime, we have big fleet of customer in the maritime side in Saudi Arabia. One of them is Saudi Aramco. We maintain their maritime, offshore, and even the onshore remote above, I don't know, 500 maybe remote terminals for more than 10 years. In addition, we maintain their NOC network operation. We maintain also their gateways and all kinds of remote terminals. We have, with the long experience and engagement with the end user, we have developed, we go beyond the satellite connectivity. So we go deeper with the customer to the level of their applications. So to help them to streamline their operation and engineer their traffic. So we have created the NMS of NMS. It's basically a top layer of the NMS that could monitor subsystems or multiple NMSs inside the customer network, not related to the satellite network only to monitor the RF and the IP, but even the application level, even let's say, for example, the oil and gas, we work with them to monitor and create for them like a special model that go beyond their network. So, for example, with Schremberger, we have a good project that we engineer their traffic to provide the seamless operation for the network. The remote mobile solution, we have built a couple of SATCOM on the move, SATCOM on the post, and connected to the different application like Tetra, DMR, Wi-Fi, AI, CCTV, and GSM over satellite. And this mainly it's for some of the telco operators, some of the customers. So we have also model of managed services to them that they don't have the satellite link only, but they do have also kind of vehicle, kind of network for occasional use or a special application. Also, we have a kind of engineering company, it's subsidiary for Saudi Electronic that customize and build such vehicles, mobile data center, RF scanner to scan the frequency that's being used by the telecom regulator in Saudi Arabia, in addition to SNGs. One of the projects we just handing over that we built like multi-orbit GSM cow that backhaul the 5G, 4G, 2G over satellite in different satellite constellations. So it has a GEO, it has MEO, it has LEO in the same vehicle. So our portion that we did the cow preparation in terms of mechanical engineering that related to the hydraulic jacks, to the mast, to the vehicle modification, the electrical system inside that related to the battery systems, the generators, and environmental system that also monitor all the temperature and conditional of the vehicles. It has the 3 level of the satellite connection, and it's connected also to SD-WAN that could also do traffic steering that prioritize the sensitive latency traffic to the LEO and then MEO and then GEO, depends on the customer need and the application. This vehicle we've been able to test up to 1.2 gig trunk length in different application and also landed the traffic in different satellite, different earth station, ground station. Moreover, services, we do also some kind of training. So we train also our customer to operate their network. So we train their NOC team, some of the field operation where they have in very remote areas that hard to reach in a short time, or the deep offshore operation. So also the gateway management, we do the training for them for the RF side, for the baseband systems, and in addition to the network equipment. And our team already certified from major manufacturers of the baseband and the RF system, including but not limited to iDirect and the Satcom, Newtek, Hughes, etc. We do also the RF testing. We do also spectrum analyzing and the network trainings as well. Here is a couple of the projects we have completed. This kind of Satcom on the move that has a 5G, it has a Wi-Fi connection, it has a Tetra, and it has the DMR connection. Some of to the telco operator, some of the MOI or law enforcement entities in Saudi Arabia. It has a different also applications, surveillance vehicles. And we did also mobile data centers. We did a mobile studio for the Saudi TV, in addition to SNGs. Here is a couple of customer and partners. As I mentioned, we have a JV agreement with Arabsat and Cellsat, in addition to some governmental entities in Saudi Arabia and Oman, in addition to military entities as well in Saudi Arabia. I will leave you with like a 2-minute video that explains the kind of managed service that we provide to one of the oil and gas companies that has challenges during the rig mobilization from well to well or location to location. So they used to have some incident in the past. So we have engagement with their safety department, and we agreed to support them and give him communication during the rig moves, and you know, to keep an eye of all the heavy equipment during the mobilization. Yeah, I will keep you with the short video.
In the most remote and unforgiving terrains, connectivity and safety are vital. Introducing the Field Communications and Safety Vehicle by Saudi Netlink, your reliable partner in the field. Equipped with high-speed satellite internet, this vehicle keeps you connected no matter how isolated the location. Enjoy reliable communication on the move, including secure private networks and landline services, ensuring uninterrupted communication even while mobilizing. Advanced AI-powered CCTV surveillance keeps your team safe by monitoring threats and providing real-time alerts day or night. With remote live streaming and secure data transmission, critical information flows in real time, empowering teams to make informed decisions from anywhere. Our fully customizable solution can transform any vehicle into a state-of-the-art field communications and safety vehicle. From our facilities in Riyadh and Khobar, we deliver cutting-edge solutions tailored to your needs. Our 24/7 technical support ensures that your systems remain operational, giving you the confidence to focus on your mission. With every connection we build from anywhere in the world, we bring people closer to what matters most. At Saudi Netlink, we don't just build solutions, we build confidence.
Yeah, I think that's all I have, and thank you very much for listening. Yeah. I don't know if there's any questions or something.
Have we got any questions? Anybody but Lauren? No, sorry.
Hi. Have you seen any growing or evolving demands across Middle East and North Africa regions that we might not know about?
See, I will tell you one thing. What makes us engage with customer in their applications? As you can see, in this, we used to be only satellite provider, ISP. And with the time, we see the satellite capacity business, it's a little bit degrading, especially when we have the different LEO and MEO constellation and high availability of the also satelliting. So we get engaged more with the customer to get well linked with them, not only in the connectivity part, but in their data part. So that make us make the demand of the bandwidth in our network higher. For example, 10 years ago, our maximum network doesn't exceed 200 megabit maybe, and for now I'm talking about 1.2 or 1.3 gig over satellite. Although, so this enforce and it does support also our revenue that we create the demand for the customer. We educate him. We try to solve his location, his problems, and extend our support to not only the connectivity, but to the data. So this, I think, it is very successful that our customer, you will find customer has with us more than 20 years even contract, renewable, of course, contract in different segments, but work with us more than 20 years. They do jump to a different provider, but again, they roll back to our network and our services. Yeah.
Any other questions? Yeah.
Thank you. I saw something on NOC training, so the Network Operations Center training. Just wanted to understand how that is evolving with all the changes happening in the industry. Are you seeing changes there in your NOC?
We do have our own NOC that operate our own network and applications, but sometimes we have customer, they have a closed network and they have their own NOC. Sometimes they have hybrid NOC from our team and their team. So we used to train them in the baseband system, in their ticketing system, in the spectrum monitoring and capacity, in the traffic also engineering. Sometimes also we train them in beyond the connectivity only, but not only the connectivity, but in their system application. So we have a partnership with GVF that to certify the NOC and to certify the field operation as well. For example, we have a military operation with Saudi Army that we certify their soldiers in the field to be able to conduct installation, conduct troubleshooting for their VSAT remote terminal, all kind of terminals, fixed auto acquisition or SOTM terminals, in addition to their private network operation center.